This is just going to be a short video, but under the bathroom sink, there are some nice storage solutions that I have been able to come up with. For instance, here you can see that the toilet paper is still in the package that it came in, and I can grab it, and then as it empties, I can pull it forward, which that allows me to be able to get to it much more easily. And then I have these storage containers that I have found, and one is like about the size of a shoebox. It's plastic, I can see through it, and that's got some little hand towels in there. And then up in the top it's some band-aids and so on, although I think I'm going to take and put another one of these up here because I have more medical things like that, band-aids and ointments and so on that can go in there. And I'm looking, and I think I can get 3 of these in here for good storage. And then I did check, and underneath here in this area, right now I just have a wash pan of sorts, and it's holding some hand sanitizer and things like that. And then there's some air freshener over in this corner. But I did measure, and these will fit in that area as well. And so I might utilize that in that way. But just continuing to come up with storage solutions because I am going to be here permanently. I know that these travel trailers weren't meant to be lived in on a permanent basis, but I'm going to, and so I want to make the best use of the space that is available. I hope you like this and that you'll come back and watch for some more other solutions for storage and making this trailer into a very nice little home. Have a good one.